In today's video, I'm going to show you how I style this area here in pink and rose gold for Christmas. And I seem to be drawn to this area of the home for my pink displays. I just think that the pink is just a beautiful contrast to the furniture and the piece that I have there on the wall. And so we'll see this year what I come up with. I'm so happy to be hosting again the Pink Winter Christmas Decor Challenge for 2021, and I'm very blessed to have Shule of My Style, My Colors, and Tammy, the Glam Queen of DIY, as my co-hosts. So we have asked all YouTubers to decorate or style an area of their home, anything at all that they wish to do, and include a DIY if they like, in pink for winter or Christmas. I'm really looking forward to it. Starting off our display by cleaning first. It's quite amazing how dusty everything gets when you just let it sit. So once my fall and Halloween decor is off, I give it a nice good dusting to get all ready for the winter and Christmas display. I have these two great rose gold sparkly picks here that I've laid down, and I have them so that they fit the table perfectly. And then what I've done is I've made sure to line it up with that medallion on the table because that's at the very center of the table. So that way I know I'm going to get a perfect symmetrical look. And then this cute little tree here I purchased last year at a dollar store called A Buck or Two. But it was not $1 or $2, it was $7. But you can see here some cute rose gold and white snowflakes. I think they're just so pretty. And then on either side of this table, I have these great Christmas trees that do light up, so you can see the lights there. They come pre-lit, and I love that. But of course, you know, with the pre-lit, sometimes the light bulbs go out and it can be difficult. Here is the little mechanism to turn the lights on and off, and I can see that I need to give the base here a good cleaning, so I try my best to do that. I get out my magic eraser and it looks better, not so bad. So then at Loblaws, that's a local grocery store here in Canada, I picked up this little package of these sort of pink metallic and white little Christmas ornaments. They're so cute. I bunched them up in 3s, and then I also bunched them up in 2s. The package came with 5 different ornaments, so I made sure that I used all the ornaments, making sure to alternate them, and then I place them in the tree. I have 4, so 2 per tree of those great squiggly picks that I put in the tree. 2 there, yeah. And then I just continued to place the ornaments all over. Now, what is a Christmas tree without gifts underneath the tree? So I picked up these cute little pink boxes at Dollarama, the sort of larger one for $2, the smaller one for $1.50, I think. Yep, $1.50 there. And then I had that pink wrapping paper from last Christmas. I had a couple of sheets left, so I went ahead and wrapped a couple of empty boxes that I have. And that makes really a cute little display on each side. Now I felt like the trees just were not full enough, so I ran out to Michael's, and lucky me, I found these pink sparkly ornaments. It was buy one, get one free, so I picked up the 2 packs for $8.99, and I paired them off, and I've placed them on the tree. So you can see that makes really a big difference. Now, aren't these adorable? 2 nutcrackers, 2 very different price points. So this larger one here from Dollarama, I think a couple of years ago, about $4. And the smaller one is actually a Christmas ornament from Hallmark, and this was $24.99. So a really big difference in price. It's so beautiful. It's really quite heavy, and it's got this gorgeous marbled effect on the back there. Too bad you don't see that marbled effect more on the front, but that's okay. It's really quite beautiful. So I was very happy to find that. And so I've got those two great little nutcrackers there. And then the top of our tree looks so sad, makes me want to cry. So also at Michael's, I found these little snowflakes. I love snowflakes. They were, I think, also buy one, get one free. I'm not sure about those. But all I did was took out my pink paint, painted them up really quickly, dried them up with my blow dryer, and placed them right on the tree. And that was a nice quick little addition. Now before the reveal, I have to vacuum up this very sparkly rug, and I'll be right back.